So this is take like number 5, you guys. I can't even tell you like how many people are probably staring at me awkwardly right now, but it's okay. First take, like I didn't have it in the autofocus because I got a new camera and I'm trying to learn it all. And then this last time I had like boogers up my nose. I really hope that's not the case this time. But it's cold and it's blizzarding. But anyway, we are in North Lake Tahoe in Incline Village. It is currently blizzarding. It's so pretty. This is our annual trip on Trent's side of the family that we love to do, and it's just gonna be so fun. Ella is going to ski. I suck at skiing, but he's been really good at it, Trent, for so many years, and we're gonna just watch the kids have fun in the snow and sled. I thought it would be fun to film for you guys, so if you want to see us in the snow in Lake Tahoe, please keep watching. Storm again soon, so we're gonna just try to get in a little sledding before get some more snow. So we have a few minutes before a storm comes in. Nothing is open in Tahoe right now. It was so difficult to find even a breakfast spot because of this coronavirus. So we're trying to make the best of it, and now going to just have the kids sled. We found this cute golf course. Those clouds over there mean there is a big storm coming in. So let's go sledding. Daddy is gonna send it. Get it.
Oh boy.
On the baby. Okay.
Hold on. Sayonara.
It's like riding a horse, right?
Use your boots to slow down.
Okay.
Send it.
Oh my gosh, you guys, my eyes are watering so bad. That was so fun. I like totally ate it with Ethan. I don't know how to steer that thing, but it was so fun. Did I totally kick your butt?
You totally kicked my butt.
So that might have been it.
You totally kicked it.
I won. It's my hidden,
Lost bad.
it's my hidden talent. Whole table. Is that how you say it? Probably. Okay, we are off to go to Lanza's for dinner. It's a delicious Italian restaurant. Ethan, let's not eat it. Gonna go get some good, yummy Italian food. That's where it's at. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
But my hands are freezing.
Okay.
We did.
Let's go.
Yeah, we hit it big.
Oh, are you guys full from dinner? That was such a good dinner. Just gonna head back to the hotel, put on a movie, and go to sleep. We'll go.
Hit it.
It's like ghost town here. We could like barely. Nobody's here.
Oh, we're at it, man.
Good morning. This is day 3 in Lake Tahoe. We officially are in a state of emergency with this coronavirus, and it is getting scary now, and we've taken it seriously, but getting away to Tahoe, we thought it would be, it would be easier to go out and go do things, but the ski resorts, since the emergency happened, are now closed, and restaurants are closed. We're trying to get home, but it has been snowing, and it's snowed 2 feet, and some it's worse, so the freeway is closed. So we're just taking it day by day. Ella's school shut down. Trent's been working remotely now, and I think we're gonna have a couple weeks more of it looking like that, but we're just trying to take this day by day, and I hope everyone is being safe and healthy at home. So we are now just probably gonna take the kids sledding and try to make the best of today and get some snacks from the store, whatever's there. I'm feeling for everybody who's affected by this coronavirus and all these senior citizens. My prayers are out to everyone affected by it, and hopefully we will see the end of this soon. But we're probably gonna go out and sled and just go about the day. Okay, so we are off to hopefully go get some food, some takeout really quick, and head back to the house to watch a movie.
So, if you get weird, the stops pretty strong.
Really?
Hold on, stop.
Are they closing now?
They're talking about
My
shutting down.
husband in the snow getting me hot chocolate.
Dedicated love.
Yes.
Yes,
you.
there's one for you.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
I have 2 for the kids.
Do you guys want hot
But they're
cocoa?
hot. They're hot.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ah! Ah! Snowball fight! Ah! Here, Baba Joe. Oh dear. Snowball fight. It is safe to say we are soaked. We had so much fun. We just had a snowball fight and I lost. This is the final day in Tahoe. We are going to go sledding one more time and hit the road because the freeway is open. So yeah, it's been a fun trip, but also a concerning one. We're gonna get home, hit up Costco, try to stock up for this virus if there's a shutdown. So yeah, it's been real, been fun. Eating some snow.
You want to play in the snow? Do you love it?
All right. Let's go. All right, Dad, love you.
Okay, love you. Everyone say bye-bye. Bye.
Goodbye, Lake Tahoe.
Thank you.
We love you.
We'll see you next time. Hopefully we'll be able to ski. It was so much fun.
Don't talk about it.
Okay, so we just got home and we are going to now go to Costco and get ready for this coronavirus
As best we can.
as best we can.
So Hannah
we,
just posted a photo of me on Instagram with a handlebar mustache. She cuts my hair and my beard, and she hasn't in like, 6 weeks. And
he
has
did
left
the
me to
beard
look
by
like a hobo.
himself and he definitely did it all uneven.
Look. It's like, it's no good. Handlebars.
So he sucks at hair and I'm in charge. Stop screwing it up. And
Don't let, yeah,
so
see?
something needs to
No,
go.
just hold it.
Something needs here, like that.
Oh, big knife.
Yeah. So we're
Anyhow.
gonna go to Costco now. We're not prepared at all for this coronavirus.
Nope.
we went into a state of emergency right when we left for Tahoe, and had no clue how serious it was gonna get because we live up where we're not in the Bay Area or something.
Up where all the snow is.
Up where all the snow is, so we really haven't seen some serious significance here until recently. So we're gonna go do that, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing our family enjoy our time in Tahoe. It was not what we expected with just not being able to ski and all that, but
Don't want to talk about it.
the kids had
Depressing.
the kids and ourselves included had so much fun to just spend quality family time, and yeah, so please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Please do. I love you guys so much. I'm so happy to be filming again, and we will have a video of the barn coming soon. It's just been really crappy weather and I've been sick with the flu. Love you.
Sure.
Okay, bye guys. See you
Deuce.
later.